In this video, I'll show you how to apply for Amazon jobs online. So first and foremost, you want to go to amazon.jobs, and that should immediately bring you to this site. Now you can choose between student opportunities or hourly jobs, so forth. And I'm going to choose hourly jobs. Now you'll notice the sign in option on the top right. Click on that. Now we have two options. We can either log in with our Amazon, Google, Apple, or LinkedIn, or we can create an amazon.jobs account. So just put in your email, a new password, and then confirm said password, or again log in with the other options. Alright, now before you apply for anything, make sure to edit your profile. So let's click on edit profile. And now you can click over here to add your resume. And that'll fill in all the information on the rest of the form using your resume. Alternatively, what you can do is click on edit profile on the top right. And here you'll be able to manually fill in all the information and then hit save profile at the bottom. So when you're done there, we can click on hourly jobs again. Now we can scroll down to look for the specific area and the specific jobs we are looking for. And that'll bring you to the job overview screen. So let's click on search warehouse jobs near me. And here you can see all the job options. I don't have my location on, so it's not like I'm going to actually apply for these. I just want to get you in the correct lanes. So we can choose any one of these options. And here we can see the pay rate, sign-on bonus, the address, and so forth. If we scroll down, we can get job overviews and duties. But when we're ready, just click on select schedule. And now we can choose between any of the available schedules here. And then just hit apply. And now they are going to want you to log in. As I mentioned earlier, I'm not actually going to apply, so I'm not going to complete the last step here. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.